Good afternoon, Stone RC viewers and subscribers. Today I want to be doing a little video on this WPL C14 over here. Um, I have a video too already posted on my page on this little thing running. I'm fascinated by this little thing. I mean, it's a toy grade, RC that it has basically the capabilities of being upgraded to hobby grade. Now, I've done my own little detailing to this. It's quite quite realistic looking, if you ask me. Yeah. I mean, as you can see, got my own little touches here. Little Second Amendment thing going on here. Have my driver in there. Yeah. Well, today I want to be talking about wheel upgrades for this thing. I mean, I've already, as you can see in the bottom, I don't know if you can tell here, I've done the axle upgrades. I have a slightly bigger motor in here. I believe it comes with a 130 motor. This one here is a 260. But today, we're going to be talking about wheels. I am going to see how these wheels would change the performance of this truck. Now, these wheels here are from basically this vehicle here. This is the Faye military truck, 6x6. Same exact wheels, different color rims. A lot softer than what the WPL C14 wheels offer. I mean, these wheels are really nice and soft, so I'm expecting to get a lot better performance, better clearance, a lot more grip as well. So we're going to see how she performs before the wheels, and then we'll add the wheels on and see how she performs with the new ones. Okay, so here we are in my what I would like to call miniature backyard course. We're going to give her a run with these WPL tires that the truck comes with, and see how she performs. Let's give her one more run back over there. As you can see with these tires, they're pretty hard. So the truck is kind of like jumpy, kind of like torquey and jittery. So I'm expecting to see a lot better performance and outcome with the new wheels. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Okay, well, here she is with the new set of wheels on her right now, and I gotta say, man, I think she looks pretty cool. Nice look to it. Looks a little more trucky. Looks more like a crawler now. Beefy. Nice, soft. So we're gonna take this one to the course and see how she performs. Hopefully I'm right. Okay, we're back at the course now, and we have the bigger set of wheels on here. Let's see what she does. definitely seem to have cleared that a little easier. We're gonna give it another round, and here she goes. Yeah, I gotta say, pretty obvious results we got going on here. I like. Well, this is a small piece to my 110 scale test course, I should say. In one of my early videos, I had this truck, even with the harder tires. I found a pretty easy route for it to go. I'm gonna try to mimic that route with these newer tires and see the comparison. Well, there you have it. You saw the before and after video. Um, she did pretty well to me. I don't know. I guess give me your opinion, guys. And look for further videos on these vehicles back here. I currently have another one over here that I'm building. And I have a C14 also on its way. Don't know what I'm going to do with that one yet. But I'll get creative for you guys. Anything for subscribers. So if you like what you see, hit the like button below. And hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Have a great day.